jungle journey.
Hi, little adventurers! Are you ready for a super colorful adventure? Today, we're heading to the rainforest to meet a bird with a giant colorful beak, the amazing toucan. Let's discover fun facts, play a guessing game, and even move like these fantastic birds. Let's fly into the fun! Wow! Look at the beak! Toucans have huge, brightly colored beaks. But guess what? They're super light, almost like a feather. Their beaks help them grab food and even play with their friends. Toucans may look like strong flyers, but they actually don't fly very far. Instead, they hop from tree to tree using their strong little legs. Toucans live in the warm and rainy rainforests of South America. They love to hang out in the trees where they can find yummy fruits to eat. And did you know? Toucans are birds. That means they have feathers, lay eggs, and chirp to talk to their friends. Can you guess what sound a toucan makes? Let's find out! Okay, time for a fun guessing game. What sound does a toucan make? Is it A, deep loud roar like a lion? B, a croaking noise like a frog? Or C, a squeaky beep beep like a car horn? If you guess B, you're right. Toucans do not chirp like other birds. They sound more like a frog croaking. Isn't that silly? Toucans love to eat fruit, especially berries, bananas, and papayas. But sometimes they even snack on small insects or lizards.
Yummy, yummy, yummy!
Now, let's move like a toucan. Spread your arms wide like a big toucan wings and flap them gently. Now, hop from side to side like a toucan moving through the trees. Great job, little toucans! Toucans are such fun and colorful birds, aren't they? Thanks for flying along with me today. What animal should we explore next? Let us know in the comment coming up soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more animal adventures. See you next time!